Already getting nice and cold and sweaty. It is 85 degrees and relatively humid. Before this, about 15 to 20 minutes ago, it was running. So yeah, let's go ahead and shut it off now. I forgot to mention, I apologize about the background noise. Right now, somebody's mowing a lawn. So yeah, sorry about that. And this has a Copeland scroll, Gentech broad ocean fan motor. It's smashed up to a Bryant preferred 80% efficient furnace with a variable speed blower. And it has a really nice startup sound, so yeah.